guys, welcome back. Today we're going to go over the snowstorm that we might be looking at for the for the Christmas week across portions of the Midwest, Great Lakes, Northeast regions, with up to 1 foot of snow possible for Pittsburgh area and surrounding areas. Now, I would like you to subscribe to the channel and like this video for more weather videos. Also, why don't you check out our website in the description below for updates on the major weather events that we could be seeing. It can be very useful. Now, severe thunderstorms are also possible to the deep south. Okay, here is the clipper, which is in the upper Midwest, as you can see right here. As it makes its way southeastward, another system appears to be developing in the northwest by the Canada border. This is the Alberta Clipper totals. Now, most areas will only see like a couple inches of accumulation, but up to 6 inches is possible, but most of it looks like 3 inches at max for any areas that could see a quick period of light snow falling because of the clipper across Minnesota. And then Pennsylvania could get like 4 inches. But that could just be from the current or recent snow that has been falling across this region. So now we're going to go over the radar at the end of this video for this upcoming snow system. Now there could be like up to 1 foot across some areas. And then you can see there's a band of snow from the system across from Chicago all the way to lower peninsula of Michigan. And then it goes all the way perhaps in Canada, as you can definitely see. And then you've got the heavier snow over to the east, across the Appalachians, and then the Great Lakes. And the lake effect snow bands could add to the snowfall amounts, particularly across the southeastern shores of Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. This lake effect snow band is still looking like it's in the models for eastern Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. And then, yeah, also Appalachians could get like 1 foot of snow. And it does look like 1/2 foot could fall across Pennsylvania, eastern Ohio, western New York State. And then a snow band is looking like it could fall like somewhere in southeastern Wisconsin, and then western, northwest, lower peninsula of Michigan. And then on Lake Superior, there could be 1 foot of snow there. Now, the UK model is quite different with this and kind of just brings 1 foot of snow, even including the tonight's snowfall event across Pennsylvania, New York State, and then northern Vermont. That could get hit by like another 1 foot of snow, given the feet of snow from this recent major snowstorm, particularly across Pennsylvania, New York State border area, and even Binghamton, which you can see a blog post on our website. And shortly we will go over the radar, and then this video will end. So, and there does seem to be a stronger clipper from this model across northern U.S. in the upper Midwest. Alright, now here is the final graphic for today's update on the snowstorm and possible and likely clipper. And here's the radar that I have been promising I would show. at the end of this video. Now the snow is in upper Midwest, and then the rain band begins to develop across central portion of the country, and then snow begins to develop on the backside of it, and it looks like it'll be heavy here across portions of the Midwest, and then heading into the Great Lakes and Northeast region. Heavy snow could be developing back there too. And you can see some of it is freezing rain, but not like all of the backside will see it. It's just some of it's there. And now you can see the storm depart region. Thanks, and consider checking our website in the description.